What's up, y'all? I am Joshua Lockhart. I'm a musician. I play the keys primarily, but I also mess with the guitar. And today I want to teach you a song called All Falls Down by the artist formerly known as Kanye West. Yay. I haven't sat down at the piano to learn the names of these chords or these notes, so it's all vibes, but trust me, you can still learn because it's a very easy song. It's 3 chords and a riff. So let's get started. If you look at the fretboard, you see these dots. You find the first dot, you go to the first fret after the first dot, which is the 6th fret, right? And it's all bar chords. So if you don't know what a bar chord is, it's when you press all the notes down at the same time. Okay? So you take your index finger, you go to the 6th fret, and you press all the notes down at the same time with your index finger, and you strum. Right? If you have trouble with bar chords because they can be hard to play, you can take your middle finger and cross it over your index finger and press down with both fingers so you can have more support while playing the chord, so you can get the notes to ring out more clearly, right? So you go to the 6th fret, and that's the first chord of the song, okay? Now, second chord, you slide 1 fret down to the first dot, same thing, bar chord. That's your second chord. Slide 1 more fret down, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th fret. Same thing, bar chord. And those are the 3 chords of the entire song. Now, stylistically, yes, there's rhythm to it, there's syncopation to it, right? So it's... But the more you listen to the song, the more you start to play it, the more you'll see it's super easy. The syncopation is easy to get. The hardest part is just getting the notes to ring out with the bar chord. And I'm telling you, crossing your middle finger over your index finger really helps with getting all the notes to ring out, right? Okay, now, you can play directly in the middle of the fret to get the notes to ring out very clear and evenly, right? Or you can play on the bar and it'll be like a muted sound. Right? You see how it's like a bar, a muted sound. All right, so those are the 3 chords of the song. Now let's get to the riff, right? So after the first chord, let me play the riff first. It's actually... right? Oh, sometimes I still mess up, right? Now, you want to play this riff incredibly slow when you're first starting out and gradually work your speed up, right? So, again, you find the first dot on the fretboard and the riff is around that dot. Okay, so on the first string, it's... right? Then you go down 1 string, you go down another string, and then you go down 1 more string, and you go to the 3rd fret, and you... right? And that is the riff in its entirety. But to get to the riff, there's like a small turnaround, if you will. All right, so it's... right? But... so... 6th fret, then you go down, then you go over 2 more, and you go down 2 strings. So this is on the 2nd string, 4th fret, and you just play the note let it ring out, and then you tap down on the 6th fret of the same string. Right? And then the last note is, which is the 4th note, or on the 4th fret of the 1st string. So all together is, you go right into the riff. And when I say play it slow, really walk through it slowly. Sometimes it might be hard to see the forest for the trees when you're going that slow, because you lose the sense of the rhythm and the syncopation of the song. But it's important just to get the notes under your finger, even if you lose it. That way, when you start to add the rhythm to it, the notes are already under your finger, and you only have to worry about the syncopation or its rhythmic components, right? So that's the whole kit and caboodle, right? 3 chords, a little turnaround, and then a riff, and it cycles over and over and over throughout the song. When you play the song, though, use the riff sparingly. It's more impactful if you just sprinkle it in here and there, as opposed to playing it after every turnaround. It really becomes redundant. So just use it sparingly. You don't even gotta play it every time. Man, I promise. She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. She hated that she majored and don't make no money. But she won't drop out. Her parents to look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years ain't picked the word. She's like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her. And see, I still mess up. Fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do her anyway. But yeah, that's it. That's the whole kit and, like I said, whole kit and caboodle of it all. I hope this helped. I'm still very early on in relearning this whole thing, so bear with me. There will be more sort of tutorials here. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. She had hair so long that it looked like Eve, and she cut it all off that she looked like Eve. She be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female, I still fuck up, but yeah, peace.